Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a data entry form in Microsoft Excel program. So firstly open Microsoft Excel program. Open blank workbook. First write down some basic data like a first name, last name, email address, phone number, company name, designation of a person, and in the last write down city for address. Now make the space between columns as a requirement. Now select the whole row. Now click on Insert and click on Table. Now check this box. My table has headers and make OK. Now select all. Click on File. Now click on Options and click on Customize Ribbon. Now click on this drop down list and select Commands Not in the Ribbon. Scroll down and navigate Form. Select Form. Now click on Add, make OK and click on New tab. Highlight New tab and click on Rename. Type the rename data entry. Make OK. Now select New Group and click on Form. Click on Add. Again select the new group and click on Rename. Click on this circle icon. Make OK. Click on OK. So friends, our data entry form is ready. Now we will test. So what we will do, select the all and click on data entry and click on form. Fill this form as a dummy. First name, last name, email address, phone number, company name, designation, and city. And click on New. So by this method you can create data entry form, and you can see our first data entry. So friends, by this method you can create data entry form in Microsoft Excel program. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please hit like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.